structure. So the fluid, the brake fluid can run right through the structure.
So this is both the brake caliper and the what?
Suspension upright. And again, this is printed using the crash test certified aluminum that we have. So it's all patented.
It's amazing. Beautiful and
Really, really cool. Beautiful and functional. All the printed text allows you to have a much lighter weight. It's also very, very rigid compared to Great to see you. All right, enjoy the rest of the show. Cheers, guys. See ya. Alright, so let me just open this door.
Man, this door is big. Is it heavy?
Exactly.
May I lift it?
Yeah, it's cool.
Oh wow!
Yeah, it's very, I mean, of course, it's carbon fiber, so it's super light. Again, this door sill all has PPF. All this PPF covered here, so you have your right angle. How I do it, so like this.
So I'm not gonna scratch. So I'm not gonna scratch the carbon.
No, but make sure you don't have any sharps in your front.
No, I don't.
Adjusting this here,
Yeah.
forward and aft. And then to go out, I usually just do one hand here, and then.
Got it. Oh wow. Now this is something else.
We wanted to create an experience unlike anything else. I think we kind of nailed it.
Yeah, definitely.
So here, I'll close this one down so you
Oh, awesome. Thank you.
Only the metal bits. So we specialize in 3D aluminum, and it's all practiced. We're the only company that has it, so it's all packaged to us. So really, really cool. Exactly.
I can get used to it. Thank you so much.
That
Thank
was
you
your
so
tutorial. You nailed it.
wow.
You nailed it on the
Wow.
first try, which is good.